All right, so we're looking at the median. Now, if you look at the word median, it looks very much like you can see the D is the middle letter and it sort of stands out to me. It's in the center, it's in the middle. So that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the number that appears in the middle. Now, the median is the middle number, so you want to write that down so that you know what it is. Always important, put your numbers from smallest to largest. That's a really good practice to do. Okay, so that's going to be telling you that to do that 100 million times. So, and then you can cover up your numbers until you get to the middle one if you find that you've got a lot of numbers. If we look at this, there's not too many numbers. We can see right away that 6 is our median because we've got 3 numbers on either side. If you get a few numbers, put them smallest to large. I would put them to smallest to largest anyway. Always, always, always. So there you go. You've got one, and now straight away you can tell. So you can cross them out, 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 and you're left with 3. 3 is your median. There you go. 3 is the median because it appears in the middle. All right, so now we've got some more numbers. What do you do first? Put them in order from smallest to largest. There you go. Now you could work out which is your middle one. It is 16. Thank you very much. It's because it appears in the middle. Perfect. Now we've got some more numbers. Put them from smallest to largest. Now, if you have a look at these ones, I want to give you 2 seconds just to try and do it. Can you see which is the mode? The median. You should see that 14 and 16 is the median. So now what we've got to do is we've got to find the middle. What is exactly in the middle of 14 and 16? You probably know straight away that the middle of 14 and 16 is 15. If you had 2 numbers that were really different, you could add them together and divide by 2, and you would get the middle of them. You would get that even if you did 14 and 16. So if we look at another one, smallest to largest, and we go all the way along and we find, oh dear, between 23 and 24. Oh, what's between that? We can use decimals. So halfway between 23 and 24 would give us 23.5. All right, now we're going to look at the mode. Now, the way I see the mode is that the mode comes from the word model, okay? And the models always show clothes that are very fashionable and that are being worn a lot at the moment. So the most popular clothes. So the mode is the most popular number. So mode is the most frequent value and it appears the most. So write that down as well. Count how many of the value appears. Now, the mode is the value that appears the most, and you can have more than one mode. So first things you've got to do is order the values, smallest to largest. By that way, you're grouping all the numbers together and you can see straight away how many of them there are. So there you've got those. We put them smallest to largest, and we can see straight away that we've got 3 is the most, therefore the mode is 3. If we look at another one, telling us we can have more than one mode. So if we put those together, you can see that there is a group of 3s and a group of 9s. They are equal, so therefore we have 2 modes. And let me move this over the way so you can see what I've written there. There are 2 modes here, 3 and 9. Now look at these numbers. Order them from smallest to largest. Can you see a mode? I can't see a mode because there's no mode. So sometimes they're going to ask you, there's going to be no mode. Don't worry about saying there's no mode. All right, so now you know the mean, the mode, and the median. Let's show me what you can do.